The Guyana Livestock Development Authority on Wednesday hosted a simulation exercise for the high pathogenicity avian influenza, also known as bird flu, to test Guyana's preparedness to manage an outbreak of the bird flu.
As we know that this disease is presently rampant in the continent of South America, many of the countries within South America, especially those along the Pacific coast, and Central and North America is affected. Also, another objective was to test our One Health collaboration, because in the event of a zoonotic disease, it wouldn't only be animal health, but it would be animal health, environmental health, and human health working together to bring the disease under control.
The exercise also aims to evaluate the national One Health collaboration and capability of Guyana to manage other outbreaks of zoonotic diseases. The simulation will enable the GLDA and its partners identify areas that requires improvements in the way they respond to an outbreak.
In all, it was a good exercise, and we were able to identify strengths, weaknesses, gaps, and how we can better improve our collaboration as the One Health initiative is being pushed by many of the international organizations.